everyone! Today we're making a French pie, but don't be fooled, it's not a pie. It's a cheesy, meaty, potato-packed dish baked to perfection. Let's get cooking! In this video, we're making a dish that's often called a French pie, though it's not actually a pie. It's a delicious layered oven-baked meal made with potatoes, meat, tomatoes, onions, cheese, and mayonnaise. To start, we'll need the following ingredients: potatoes, tomatoes, onion, ground meat, cheese, mayonnaise. First, slice the potatoes, tomatoes, and onions as shown in the video. Prepare the meat by finely chopping or blending it in a food processor. Once everything is ready, mix the chopped onion with the meat. Next, grease your baking tray lightly with oil and spread it evenly. Begin layering the dish by placing the sliced potatoes in a single layer at the bottom. Then add a layer of the meat and onion mixture. Spread a bit of mayonnaise over the meat and place tomato slices on top. Repeat this layering process for a second time. Finally, top everything with a final layer of potatoes. Bake the dish in a preheated oven at 480 F for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take it out and add a generous layer of sliced cheese on top. Return it to the oven just long enough for the cheese to melt beautifully. Once done, take it out, serve, and enjoy this hearty and flavorful dish.